Good morning. So I decided to vlog since I haven't vlogged in forever. I'm using my phone because my camera is just too much to carry around. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what I do on a typical day of quarantining. In quarantine. It's 10:50 a.m. It's supposed to be 11 o'clock, so I'm up kind of late. Normally I'm up a little bit earlier than this. So I'm up right now to make breakfast, and then I'm whispering because he's still asleep, but I'm gonna make breakfast, and then I really want to go for a run today, just a little jog, and then I need to go to Walmart and then probably get the car cleaned, and then that's probably it. Just a really chill Sunday. And I'm reading a book that I've longed to finish. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my book. The only thing I might not do is go get the car clean because they may be closed. But right now I'm gonna make breakfast. So yeah, I'm gonna be vlogging today. I think that's it. Yeah. So let's make breakfast. I'm in the mood for tea. I need some good tea recommendations. I've been drinking this one since I was a kid. And then when I need to detox, which I'm probably going to go ahead and detox tomorrow. So when I detox, I don't eat. I just drink water. And I'll make like 2 tea bags of this. So I'm probably going to detox tomorrow. But I need some good tea recommendations. It's like super hot. So I'm on my way to the park. So we can get a run on, and then after the park, I'm gonna run for like 30 minutes. And after the park, I need to run to Buckhead to pick up more of my another case of shoe boxes, which I'll show you what I mean later. Child, y'all are shaking like a stripper. So then after that, after the container store, we need to go to Walmart because your girl is out of Sazon, and I use that to cook. And babe wants some Slim Jims, amongst other things that I have to get from Walmart. And then that's like, I'm gonna probably go ahead and go get the car cleaned. So after the jog, the car wash is like a 10-minute drive from there, if that. So I'm gonna go ahead to the car wash, clean the car, and then I'm going to then hit up the Container Store because I gotta go downtown for that, and then I need to go to Walmart, but it's not my local Walmart. I'm going to a different Walmart. So that's pretty much it. How you guys hold it up during this whole quarantine? It's almost over. I know it's almost over. Like, I know Georgia is opening up a little bit. I'm still staying as safe as I can. I ran out of masks. That's the only reason why I don't have a mask on. And plus, it's way too hot for that. It's 85 degrees right now. Like, it's hot. To jog, I just have on my Victoria's Secret little leggings. I have on a Victoria, and this is a North Face t-shirt. And I did long sleeve, which was a foolish thing. And then I have on my belly band. So I will link down below the belly band that I use. If you follow me on Instagram, you see me post like on my stories and stuff. But it's the Sweet Sweat waist trimmer, and I actually love it. I love the cream that it comes with. It helps really promote sweat. So I do have that on. I should have showed y'all that in the house, but my phone doesn't have a lot of battery. But I haven't been, ever since the gym closed, I've been like not working out as much as I normally do, because I was going to the gym 5 days a week. And when it closed, I didn't work out at all. So I'm just not getting back into working out. And I'm just trying to fast as much as I can. And that's pretty much it. This is a cute little park that I found. Yesterday me and babe went on a walk in Piedmont Park, and it was really nice out. And then Monday, a couple of days ago, we went on a hike, which I'm gonna vlog when we do that again. So I really want to do that again. So I'm gonna vlog next time we go on a hike, because that was cool. We'll probably do that sometime next day, Sunday. Sometimes this upcoming week we're gonna go on another hike. And then my sister's coming on Thursday. I'm probably gonna vlog again this week, like the hike, and my sister coming to visit. Her and my cousin is coming for one night. They're coming from Tennessee, and they're gonna be in Georgia with me for one night. Then they're gonna fly back home to New York. So I'm gonna probably vlog again next week. But let me stop rambling and running up my battery, and I will see you guys when we get to the park. It is so beautiful out. I haven't even ran yet. I've just been walking, but it's so nice. And this is just like a local park. And these are my workout headphones. These are the Beats. These are the Beats by Dre or whatever. I don't know what you call them now. Apple Beats, whatever. Power Beats 3. I know 4 is out, but these are on clearance on bestbuy.com. So I got these, and I like them. And then there's also a lake. Oh, my here. This is, it's so nice out today in Georgia. Like, it's crazy. So I'm about to actually gonna get out of here, and I'm gonna hit the car wash. All right, so sorry, y'all. My phone definitely died. So after I left off from you guys at the car wash. So after the car wash, I went to Family Dollar just to get some like air freshener stuff for my car, and I had to buy a new mop. So that wasn't nothing. And then from there, I went to the Container Store to pick up my shoe boxes. So I'm not gonna show you guys too much of this room because I really want to do a room tour, but the shoe boxes. So I have my sneaker collection isn't huge, but definitely isn't small. So I don't know if I know I've put this on my Instagram before, but I get these shoe boxes from the Container Store. You get 6, and they have the little drop in the front to put your shoes in and out. They go up to the box says they holds up to a size 13 in men's. My shoe size is like anywhere between a 9.5 and a 10 in men's, and I'm like an 11 and a half, 12 in women's, and they hold my shoes just fine. 99% of my shoes, my sneakers, that is, I use this for my sneakers. 99% of them are in men's sizes. I prefer to get my sneakers that way. I only have one pair of sneakers that are in women's sizes, and they are my Nike Cortez, which are these. And I think these are like a 12. I think they're an 11. So only reason why I got those in women's because first of all, I went on a hunt for those shoes and no one had them in men's. So I don't want to show you guys this room. So I'm gonna come out. What else? After I picked those up, I went to Walmart because I had to get a few things for the house, and I picked up a workout mat that I ordered from Walmart so I can start working out at home, and just continuing on my weight loss journey. I'm actually about to eat dinner. It's almost 5 o'clock, so I'm probably gonna eat now and not eat for the rest of the day. I went ahead and washed this wig because my lace was looking a little orange and I don't like that, so I went ahead and just washed it. But I'm about to sit on the couch, eat. I'm just making like some burgers. Like these beef burgers that I buy from Walmart. I'm gonna eat that, and I'm probably just gonna chill out for the rest of the day. It's so hot outside in Georgia right now, but I kind of ran my errands. Tomorrow I'm gonna do an at-home workout and things like that. So I'm probably, don't mind my lace, I just finished washing it, but I'm probably gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. The last thing I want to know is, do you guys even want an apartment tour? Because I was going to go ahead and just do one, but I don't know. Let me know if you guys want an apartment tour. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. This is a typical quarantine day for me. I'm probably going to be in for the rest of the day. I need to start getting the back patio together so I can start sitting outside when I am home. So yeah, let me know if you guys want an apartment tour, and make sure you subscribe and thumbs up this video. And I plan to be doing a lot more vlogs. So I will see you guys soon. Bye.